This Fleet Equipment Unscripted interview is presented by Hendrickson, a leading manufacturer of heavy-duty suspension systems and components to the global commercial transportation industry. Visit hendrickson-intl.com to learn more.
Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, Content Director for Fleet Equipment. Welcome to Fleet Equipment Unscripted. We are at ATA MC&E 2025. We are at the Volvo booth. We're going to check in with Peter Voorhoeve. It's our annual check-in with Peter. See how the year goes, how the year went, everything that's he's facing in the market, and how he's working with fleets to get the jobs done. So let's go catch up with Peter. All right, Peter, great to see you. This is our annual get-together here at ATA. I appreciate you taking the time.
Our annual get-together. Good to see you again.
So, Claire, let's start off with the market, right? A lot going on with the market, a lot of uncertainty, tariff talk. At the press conference, you mentioned the good amount of investment that you put in here in manufacturing in the U.S. and North America. What advantage does that give you when there's talk of content, U.S. domestic content within trucks, and what's it mean to Volvo?
So we've always been a U.S. manufacturer, right? Since the beginning of 1982, and we will continue. That's why we invested so much money, and that maybe has not to do so much with tariffs. We strongly believe in the power of our Virginia manufacturing operations. If you look at the recent developments, we're USMCA compliant. We do as much as possible as regional, and we will continue to do that.
Right, very good.
We are a proud U.S. manufacturer.
That's right, and we've been to the plant. It looks great. Continue to see great investments there. As far as, look, this was a part in the market where a year ago we thought we'd be getting into a new GHG 27 pre-buy. Clearly, things have changed with the uncertainty. From your perspective, how are you talking through customers with the next evolution of engines and how they could approach that in their buying cycle?
So I think, first of all, I think it's important to separate two things. On one hand, you have the GHG rules, the CO2 rules, and then you have what comes in 2027, the so-called NOx emissions. Those are a little bit two different things. As far as we know, on the 1st of January 2027, emissions will change to a different NOx emission level, right, from 0.2 to 0.35. Then there is a lot of talk, will that happen, will that not happen, will there be warranty, will there be no warranty? In these, call it uncertain times, the only thing I can with the hand on my heart advise customers is buy the trucks now, because these trucks are now compliant, they are now efficient, they now help you with your bottom line, and then you're ready for the future.
Right, very good. Well, you know, speaking of this year, we're getting toward the end of 2025, another big, busy banner year for Volvo trucks. What were some of the highlights for you from this year?
Well, the highlights of this year, of course, we launched the all-new VNR earlier in March. We're now going to produce it next year. We started the production of the all-new VNL. Now we are in a situation where you see the all-new VNL also driving around on the road, which I think is fantastic. We're at ATA, the American Road Team captains got their all-new VNL in May. They're driving around with that. For me, the highlight was we've been working so long on this renewal, and now you see it happening. You see it working every day, bringing loads from A to B. That's for me a highlight.
Very good. Well, we can't wait to see what comes next. Thanks for taking the time.
Thank you so much, Jason.